Hey, so right here is the box that the Lasko fan comes in. Let's take a look at it. So the box is about 27 inches tall by roughly 22 inches wide and a little under 6 inches deep. And the whole thing is really lightweight, easy to carry around, so one person could easily move this. So let's get it open, put it together, and take a closer look at the fan. So you can see it does come with some excess packaging here. Got a piece of the fan, the gate that's going in front, some more packaging, some more of the gate. We've got instructions and an operating manual. Got a couple more pieces here. And then the motor comes wrapped up in bubble wrap. And we've also got the pole here. So there's all the packaging. Let's get onto the fan. So the first thing we want to do is take our pipe here, and we can loosen it up by twisting counterclockwise, and that will let us extend the fan. And if we twist clockwise, that'll tighten it up. Now we'll want to take the base of the fan and set it down like this. So when looking at the pole, you'll see the thinner extension pipe here. We want to take the thicker end and push it down into the base while turning it to make sure we get a nice grip. So I'm pushing down and twisting clockwise. There you can see it's nicely in the base now. Now we're going to take the motor or the head assembly here and push it down onto the extension pipe. And again, we want to twist to make sure that it sits down firmly on top of it until it's nice and tight like that. Now we need to take our rear grille, which can be identified by this marking here that says rear, and we're going to attach it to the head assembly by tilting this backwards and placing this tab here on the rear grille in line with this slot right here by simply dropping it into place like this. Then we'll take our plastic nut, drop it into place right here, and twist it on. Next, you're going to find these two little hub pins right here sticking out from the side of this metal pole, and on the inside of the blade you'll see two little notches right here that need to be aligned with those hub pins, and we'll drop the blade in place over top of the hub pins. Then we take our piece here called the fan spinner, and we're going to tighten it onto this nut here, but notice that to tighten it we got to spin it to the left, so counterclockwise to tighten this one. Now we take the front grille here and we align it so the Lasko sign is horizontal and upright. And then we can snap it into place by getting these small tabs here over top of the rim of the front grille. So there you go, the fan is now assembled and it should be looking like this. Let's give it a little test and see how well it works. And we have a two-pronged wall adapter on a cord that extends out about 6 foot 4 inches. We can just plug that in. And we have two simple controls here. We have the power setting. You can go from off at 0 to a high setting, a medium setting, and a low setting. And a tab here that controls oscillation. If it's up, it will not oscillate. And if you push it down, then it will oscillate, meaning it will move back and forth. So let's watch it oscillate on the lowest fan setting for now. And here it is on the highest setting. It pushes a lot more air and it also seems to oscillate quicker. And here it is at its tallest height, and the middle of the fan is roughly at about 44 inches, with the top of the fan being at about 54 inches. And at its shortest setting here, the middle of the fan is about at 27.5 inches, and the top looks to be at about 38 inches. So I appreciate the height versatility of this fan here. It can really go up and down and has a wide range of settings there. And I like how much air it can move. On the lowest setting, it's still going to keep you nice and cool, but on the highest setting, man, does it push a lot of air and it moves quickly. So it's actually a lot more powerful than what I thought it was going to be. And I like how nice and sturdy it is. The base is really nice and wide, and so it's not going anywhere. All the parts feel really high quality and nice and strong. It seems like this fan is going to last a long, long time. So it's a good fan for me. I'm going to hang on to it, and I think that it would be a good fan for you too if you're looking for something that you can easily move around, but still be able to move a ton of air with a large fan.